You have to move. Hello friends, welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. Today we're going to try and see if there is a product that truly can clear old and what do you call them? Not worn, oxidized lenses from cars, from car headlights, and make them even close to something that can pass as a new lens. We have tried in the past several products, and we have a new product that we'll try with you and see if it works. So stick around and see if it works. If this is your first time in our channel, we want to wish you a very warm welcome and invite you to review any of our almost 400 episodes, as we are confident that they're going to provide some entertainment and useful information for you. If you've been here before, if you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. So there are many products in the market that you can go and purchase in your big box store or online, and we have used a couple without any true success. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
So very recently we came across this product from Headlight Restore US. The website is Headlight Restore US. .us, sorry. And it claims, do you believe it, Olpida? It claims 3 easy steps and 2 minutes work time, and she's laughing. Why are you laughing?
Well, it immediately reminded me of our 5-minute fan adventure that took us 2 days to do.
Right.
Right.
So, to say the least, we are skeptical, right? That would be a fair assessment.
Yes.
But we're going to give it a try, and in real time, we're going to do it with you. We're not going to stop the camera as things happen. We want to see with you how things work, right?
Yep.
So we have done no preparation on the light, right?
Right.
Now that seems, whatever it is, it took a lot of grit out for sure, right?
Yeah, it took a lot of the yellowing oxidation out as well.
Now the claim is that it can do that in 3 steps and 2 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So let's see. And we are following the directions to the T. We're not changing anything, right?
Right. And basically you're supposed to take the wipe, clean off your headlight with it, and then wipe it down so that it's completely dry with another paper towel.
And repeat on the other headlight,
Mm-hmm.
because what I wanted to say, the last part, you only have one package,
Right.
so you need to do both at the same time.
Well, one right after the other with the same product.
So we're at 1 minute 15 seconds now, so let's see if we will be the 2 minutes. Not where, I mean, I don't care if it is 2.5 minutes, I just for giggles and grins.
Giggles and grins.
Grins and giggles? What is the expression?
I can't say it on camera.
Well, you're not on camera, just your hand is.
Well, I can't even voice it on camera because then you'll get demonetized.
Okay. Definitely, I'm kind of impressed of how much stuff it took out, right?
Yeah, I mean, clearly.
I mean, when you see what we've done in other attempts, nothing came out. And you're not really pressing, it's just...
No, I'm just wiping it.
Yeah.
And so now I'm taking another dry one. Trying not to get it on my actual paint job here.
You did a little bit on the
But I
side.
did a little bit. So hopefully it
maybe we should have masked it.
Well, it didn't say that I needed to do that, so
Okay.
didn't do that.
Does it need to wait any period or just?
Just make sure it's dry, so I'll just take another paper towel just to make sure.
Okay.
Make sure it's dry.
And we'll do the same in the other one. Okay, and now, oh, go ahead, sorry.
Yeah, and this said do not unfold it and wipe it down, so I'm not unfolding this, and I'm trying to be a little more careful with my application of the stuff.
That looks freaking impressive, let me tell you.
If it stays like that, yeah.
Well, are we supposed to do anything else?
Nope, you're supposed to let it dry.
Okay, I mean, that I don't know, what do you think, but...
Well, yeah. If that's how it stays, then fantastical.
And it says not to get it wet for a day or something?
Well, 30 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes. At that, we'll have a rain for 30 minutes. I think we're good.
I just want to get the bottom edge a little bit, trying to go around it.
Okay, I don't know what this is, but this is magic. No?
Well,
I mean, if it stays like that...
yeah, so looking at this cloudy.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's visible even, hopefully, in the camera. You guys, this is kind of amazing to me. I don't know. I've not seen anything like that.
Well, again, we may have to come back at a 30-minute time frame and just see what it
We will.
looks like at that point. But right now, it looks pretty impressive.
Right now, it looks like we just changed headlights.
Yeah.
I mean...
Yeah, like they do at this moment look pretty much brand new.
Yeah.
Which is pretty nice because I think these are the original to the vehicle and it's a 2005.
And we have never seen them like this.
Right.
We saw them in our other CRV, but we had to buy a new headlight.
Yeah, to get it looking like that. So
I mean...
right now that's looking pretty good. We'll leave it.
We'll come with you on the end of the video and we'll visit it again to give you our final thoughts. So 30 minutes have passed per the instructions and they look amazing. If you see a little bit of imperfection, we want to disclaim that this was our fault. It was not the product. Why was it our fault?
Because the product says if you have a little bit of pitting or granularity on there that you should use some really fine grit sandpaper and sand that out, and we chose not to do that, thinking that it would be okay.
Because we are lazy actually, and it is hot outside and we did not want to do it, right?
A little bit, yeah.
In reality, and you saw that in our video, all that Delpita did was actually wipe it on and wipe it off, right?
Yeah.
There was no scrubbing required. We did not anything that you did not see. Everything in the video is exactly what we did.
Yeah, and you can see all the stuff coming off on the cloth.
Right, I mean,
lenses.
that is the first thing that amazed me. As she was doing it, she will move it up and I will see an amazing amount of deposit on that piece of cloth, right? And in the past, we have not seen that in anything we've tried. And we have tried buffing and compounds and drill-based, what do you call it, the buffing grills,
yeah,
with the buffing compounds. And nothing has come, I can say, not even close to this, right? I'm just kind of...
with the ease of application as well.
This is so good that if I have not done it, I would be skeptical. How about you?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
I still, we came out, we didn't even look, we wanted to come and see it with you guys.
Yeah.
And when I looked at it, it's like, wow. And if you look here where there was no pitting, it is perfect. I mean, I don't think you can get better than that.
I mean, it's very clear, very clear.
And if you remember, and I might put another one, a reminder of how the lenses looked. These lenses were very yellowed, were very old, were really looking poorly, right?
Yeah, and as I mentioned, I think these are original to the car, and it's from 2005. We're in 2019 here, so
I mean, look at this detail. I didn't even know these were here. You know what I mean?
The little
yeah.
reflector things in there.
Did you?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like...
I did, but it's not something you pay close attention to.
I mean, this reflects. You can see it now. Look at that.
Yeah.
It is amazing. So, I definitely give this a thumbs up.
Uh-huh.
How about you?
Yeah. For sure. Just as a first-time application and 30 minutes in, for sure. I'll be very interested as I'm driving home in the evening with my headlights to see what it's going to do for me.
Oh, I'm quite positive you will see
A huge difference.
a difference, yes. As I said, it's a good thing that we did this as a Wednesday quickie because we don't have enough material to make a long video, right? Imagine if you try to make a 20 or 30 minute video out of this, it's like, That's all, folks. In any case, this is our quickie for today. We do hope you enjoyed it. Oh, you didn't give your rating. I gave it 5 thumbs up.
5 thumbs? It's definitely a thumbs up for me. Yeah.
Only 1 thumb?
Well, you know. I only have 2.
How about 2 thumbs and a few toes or something?
Okay,
You know.
there we go.
And if this changes, we are going to let you know, by the way. Like if we see a difference,
Yeah.
we're going to let you know. Now, in full disclosure, we did not pay for the product. The product was sent to us to review, but we were not instructed at all in what we say. And as I said, we were both very skeptical when we received it. Mm-hmm. Actually, I think Elpida was not even excited to even try, because I think you were thinking there would be a lot of scrubbing and...
Well, yeah, because I've done a lot of scrubbing on them already with some other products.
So, this product I did not pay for, but I was not asked to give a positive review. We were not asked to say anything other than test it and give your honest opinion. My honest opinion, and I would never tell you guys something it wasn't true. Clearly we used it in our car, I mean, you know.
Yeah.
And I plan to use it on my truck too. But I am blown away, and...
Like there's what the truck looks like right now.
Yeah, and I think it will look much better afterwards. And I think it may not have been 2 minutes, but it was darn close to it. Maybe it was 2.5 minutes. But definitely, if we were not filming, probably would be 2 minutes, because we had to locate ourselves and, you know, do all those kinds of things. So I think all the claims, it did take only 3 steps. We did follow the steps as indicated, except the light sanding. And now we're kicking ourselves, actually, right?
Yeah.
Because with these results, we feel if we have done a light sanding, this would have been perfect.
Yeah.
But this is not fault of the product. We chose not to do the sanding.
Right.
So we cannot blame the product for something we chose not to do. In any case, we hope you enjoyed today's episode. Anything you want to say?
I think you've covered it all.
Would you buy this product?
Yeah, I would.
Well, this concludes our episode, I think, for today. If you did enjoy it, please smash the like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. It works better if you hit it twice.
Yep.
But if you hit the dislike button, kittens die everywhere. For every dislike you put. You're laughing, but you know I'm upset about the 3 people that give dislikes the moment we post something without watching the video, you know. And
Can't make everybody happy, that's all.
well, I don't mind the criticism. It's like they do it without watching the video within seconds of posting, and that is upsetting. In any case, we do appreciate your support. We are, I believe, 88 people away from 4,000.
Oh, that's awesome.
Which is very exciting for us. And I have news for the 3 people that give us dislikes. They count as engagement, so thank you.
Yes.
I mean, you know, find the silver lining, right?
Exactly.
So from the Garage Wizard and Elpida and the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a great week. We hope you're going to have a great week, and we're going to see you again on the Weekend with a Project, and next Wednesday with another quickie. Farewell, my friends.